Hello Virgo, welcome to the channel. This is Lady of the Throne and I am here today with your July 1st through the 15th love guidance. I am Lady of the Throne and your spiritual guide, master teacher, intuitive reader, and earth angel. Thank you for being here, Virgo. If you like this message and what it represents, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. Feel free to drop a comment down below or subscribe to the channel. Really subscribe, guys, if you haven't subscribed already, because I'm sure that there's going to be some really helpful and important information for you here today as well as in the future. So don't want to miss this. Become a part of the community. You guys, I'm going to talk about what's going on in your love life, how you and the love interest feel about each other, and the way you see each other. I do offer extended videos, so if you guys are interested in getting the extended version of this, check out the description box down below. There will be a link down there to follow if you want to go deeper and find out more. In the extended, I reveal secrets, things that you do not know, things that are hidden beneath the surface. Like, what does this person really want to say and what do they really want? Okay. Also, we look at your real intentions about each other, what you guys really do expect for the connection, and what's going to help you. Real helpful advice about what you should do about this connection in the next 2 weeks. So Virgo, let's talk about it. How do you feel about this person you're interested in? So some of you may feel a little bored and distracted with things at this time. It could be that you are just in your everyday life feeling bored, feeling distracted by other things. And you don't want to be distracted by other things. You want to be distracted with love. You want to be distracted with someone that interests you, something more fun. And you're not wanting to... I feel like you're not wanting to fall or slip into a slight depression at this time. So you're trying to keep yourself balanced, and you're also trying to keep yourself entertained to do other things and make yourself feel better. And if things are not working out the way that you want them to, I think that you're going to become more confident and you're going to perk yourself up a bit so that you could enjoy yourself more and be able to let your hair down. Now at work and things like that, I see that you're having a good time, you're enjoying yourself, but when you're at home or maybe when you are in a different type of environment, it's not like you're playing or have time for play. And so it's like you're done with you're tired of the mundane, like going to work and going home, going to work and going home. I feel like you want to spice things up and you want to do something different. You're getting tired of the same old, same old. So some of you could be needing more fun and excitement in your life right now and wanting to experience something different, stepping outside of your comfort zone. You could be wanting to be outside more, wanting to do more outdoors activities. You want to experience better days overall. And that's what I'm getting here. Just really in a different kind of mood, right? So this person you're interested in and how they are feeling about you, Virgo. Definitely getting my funny Valentine. So this is a person who is romantically interested in you, and you are like a crush for them, or maybe you're someone that they want to get sexual with possibly, but they see you as someone who's not just someone that they're passionate about, but you're also funny. You have a sense of humor. That's what I'm getting here. And or maybe you are not their usual type, but they do have some type of interest or crush on you. So this person has romantic and passionate thoughts about you, but the way they see you is that they know that they are only exclusive to you. These feelings that they have about you are only exclusive to you, and they are exclusive to you. So no one else really can do it for this person but you. You're the only person that they want to be with, and they've kind of like claimed them for you, if that makes sense. So if there's a question about who do they belong to, they belong to you. And they could even be telling people that you belong to them, or maybe this is how they want you to feel, that you're just for them. But either way, there's a sense of possessiveness and ownership here about this connection. It is either something coming from them or something coming from you. But the way it's coming across, it seems like, it could be either one of you. However, I do get a sense that this is an exclusive connection, very exclusive, only between you and this person. So they only want to have you around or near them. When it comes to people touching, I don't even think this person wants to feel anyone touch them right now. I think that they just want your touches, your kisses, your body. That's what I'm getting. Touch My Body by Mariah Carey. So yeah, you just do something for them, Virgo. You have this person seeking your love all over, all around town, right? Like they just want to be with you. They yearn for your love and attention all the time, and you are so important to them. And so they do a lot to keep you on them, to keep you interested in them and paying attention. They do a lot for your attention. They do a lot to keep you interested. And that's what I'm getting here. They really want you. Now, how do you see this person? You see this person as some type of teacher, a person that can teach others about evolution and things changing, and about life and about cycles in life. And maybe this is someone who can see the future. Maybe this is a person who's a psychic. Maybe this is a person who is good at astrology and can read people's birth charts. Maybe they have spiritual gifts that are very unique and rare. And so this is a person who understands so many different things about life, human life. And this person has an awareness of the sacredness of all things in life. Like this person sees beyond knowledge. And that's the way you see them. This is someone who has the ability to purify others' hearts, mind, and body, even yours, and helps to accelerate you on your journey as well. This is someone who you see that can help other people with their patterns, behaviors, or addictions that they may have. You've seen this person be able to pull other people out of addictive patterns, even maybe yourself. For some of you, if you were addicted to something, or if you had a behavior pattern, or even just negative thoughts that you had, this person's able to kind of like cleanse you, awaken your soul, and remove these things away from you just with their energy alone. But the way you see this individual is someone who is able to face things and look at things from a higher perspective. And it is through this person's purifying of their thoughts, their words, and their actions that they are now able to make a decision about, are they going to walk a more straight path in life and do the right things? Not like they were doing the wrong things, because they are a teacher. Not like they were doing the wrong things, but is this person able are they wanting to just live their life this way, or they want to turn their back on a precious opportunity that you could be offering to them? Because what it seems like is a dynamic where you have a saint and a sinner. That's what it seems like. And you could be the sinner, Virgo. And let me just be honest with you. It does feel like you are someone who is trying to ask this person maybe what is it that they want. Do they want to kind of take these risks with you, or do they want to live a more full, whole life where they're doing all the right things, right? Or do they want to kind of step out a little bit and do something more fun? So you could be trying to figure out, what this person's going to do, that kind of thing, because you see this person letting go of things that they used to do, or that they were attached to, and that they no longer do. This person is evolving. And as they're evolving, they're changing other people, including you, in the process. So how does this person see you? This is a person who sees you as someone who is enhancing your sensuality, but you also have a divine force of sexuality about you as well. So what is happening here, and what people don't understand about being a spiritual person, is that sexuality plays a major role in spirituality, because the biggest part about being a human being is sex, right? You were brought here through sex. And so everyone has a sex, a male or female, right? Everyone is a male or a female. There's no in between. So that is the essential basis of life. And the fact that you are a sexual and a spiritual being is something that's natural. And this person is aware of that. But they also see you as someone who has a very strong sexual desire and sex drive, and that your sexuality and the desires that you have, possibly some of you can go both ways. Possibly some of you are bisexual. Maybe this person knows this about you. Maybe this person feels like your relationship that you have with women are there because maybe there's a disconnection with a mother figure in your life. And so maybe you gravitate toward women for the nurturing aspect of it. So that could be how this person sees you. For others of you, it's more so about this person seeing you being sexually attracted to them, and they are a man, right? And because not everybody's going to resonate with every single thing spoken, but what I do get is that, this person sees you as being interested in them sexually, and you are very attracted to them, right? And only them. Now, this is someone who sees that you are going to be able to reach a certain level of, being like a cultural icon, a person that people look up to, a person that leaves a name for yourself. But this is going to come when you understand your role as this person's counterpart. Because for some of you, you are a goddess to a man, a king, to a god king, right? You're a goddess to someone like this. You are the partner to a person like this, which means that because you hold such a high role in society and in their life, they want you to understand that your sexual desires is just a part of your instincts, and that your instincts are a natural course of life, and that you have a higher awareness about sex that other people don't have. The way that you see things, and the way that you express yourself, and the way that you what you seek, and your desires, and all this passion that you have, especially when it comes, because for some of you, this person thinks that you're into women, for some of you, but it doesn't have to be that. But whatever this is about, and it could just be your own femininity and the way you express yourself with them, then this person wants you to know that you don't have to be afraid of this side of yourself, even if you are an icon or a person that people look up to. That you must be able to seek the highest, fullest expression of your passions, and learn how to temper them as well when it is appropriate. So you can be this is what this person's trying to say. So they see you as being one of the goddesses, but you may be the one that's more sexual than the others, or you may be the one that has more sex is involved in one of the things that makes you you. And so they want you to look at it as like a divine aspect of who you are, instead of looking down on it. Like, they want you to understand the power of your womb, the power of your vajayjay, the power of your goddessness, right? Where all this energy can draw in a lot of people to you because of the type of power that you have, and this golden auric field of goddess energy is also sexual, and they don't want you to deny that or run away from that or be afraid of that. They want you to find your way among the thorns and the tortured pathways that people have set up for you in this world, and don't look at it like that. They want you to look at it as in a pure realization of your divine sexual nature, and the fact that you are a creator from your womb, and that women are made to be the womb of the world, that your P does have power. You just take on that type of energy, and you've embodied it well by following an example of what a real goddess is. Either way, it's like you could be imitating the real thing or whatever. But whatever it is, this person sees that the sexual energy that is there is not meant for you to feel bad about it. It's meant for you to see it as a superpower that you have, where you don't have to be giving yourself away because they know that you're exclusive to them. You don't have to give yourself away to be powerful. You are powerful just by you being able to feel so passionately about how you feel toward them. So that's what they've been trying to do, is unleash that side of you so that you can understand that what you have is so powerful that you can change so many lives by tapping more into that femininity and going down into that core and understanding all of your emotions and feelings that you feel live there. And it's like when you climax, for some reason, you could probably change something in the world. I don't know. You may climax and a volcano erupts. Who knows? But whatever this is like something that this person sees you in such a magical way that I can't even explain this. I'm done for the day. That did it. Thank you guys. God bless.